Imagine the taste of succulent pork, marinated in a blend of traditional Balinese spices, slow roasted to perfection over a wood fire. This is Babi Guling, a Balinese delicacy that is as rich in taste as it is in cultural significance. Babi Guling is more than just a dish, it is a symphony of flavors, each ingredient a note in a harmonious melody that tells a story of tradition and gastronomy. Babi Guling, a feast for the senses, truly encapsulates the essence of Balinese cuisine. Next on our list we have the tantalizing Sate Lilit, a unique twist to the classic skewered delicacy. Bursting with flavor, this Balinese gem is crafted from minced meat, often fish, seasoned with a medley of spices and wrapped around a lemongrass stalk. The blend is then grilled to perfection, offering a fragrant and hearty bite. Celebrated as a staple in Balinese cuisine, its unique preparation method has been passed down through generations. Sate Lilit, a symphony of flavors on a skewer, is a must-try for every food lover. No trip to Bali is complete without indulging in the versatile Nasi Goreng, a dish that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. This tantalizing stir-fried rice is a marvel of Balinese cuisine, woven together with a medley of fresh ingredients like chicken, prawns, and a mix of vibrant vegetables, all seasoned with a sweet and spicy sauce. Its preparation is an art form, reflecting the cultural richness of Bali. Nasi Goreng, a culinary delight that showcases the diversity and adaptability of Balinese cuisine. These dishes, each a gem in the crown of Balinese cuisine, offer a gastronomic journey that is hard to forget. Sate Lilit, with its robust flavors, and Nasi Goreng, the versatile delight, encapsulate the vibrant essence of Bali. These culinary treasures, steeped in tradition and borrowed influences, create a rich tapestry of taste that is quintessentially Balinese. Discover the rich flavors of Bali one dish at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our journey into the heart of Balinese cuisine. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures.